Alright guys, welcome back to Raking and Baling, third crop hay 2024. I'm currently raking. This is field 4. This is the field we're going to be tearing up a big chunk of this at the end of the year and turning it into dirt again, because we seeded some new hay ground on some lighter, kind of crappier ground. This is some really good dirt. We need to get it back. And so I'm taking this crop off of her. So far, no rain on it. Let's try and keep it that way. Lots of windrows there, a lot more to make. So, update, Frontier Rake is still not going. We're going to be renting a wheel rake again. I know. Frontier Rake, the one we don't like, the one I don't like. But that thing, it turns out there's a missing snap ring on it. So at least that's what they think they found. So yeah, we're gonna try and get that figured out, and probably won't end up using that thing this season, which is really a bummer because when you pay 10 grand to get a machine fixed, you just kind of expect it to, I don't know, work. But whatever. This machine is running strong. It costs less than half. It costs, so you might remember, I don't know if I told you about this, but the old cylinder ride on the front cylinder of the rake back there's a little, let me just pause for a second to show you. There's a little, can't zoom out, but there's a little cylinder back there around the side next to the PTO. A little cylinder that it has a threaded end on it. The tip of it snapped off right on like the last pass in this field, last cutting. And so I kind of put together a little temporary fix to get us by with some cylinder shims, and I ended up threading what was left of the old one into the threaded hole. So that got us by. We actually had a new one machine. It cost less than half than a brand new cylinder would have cost, so that was nice. It was like a $1,700 cylinder, which that's a scam right there. That cylinder on the side is not worth $1,700 bucks. So yeah, that's kind of what happened there. Everything is running very, very strong on this rake, which it always does because we love this one. So yeah. We're running in at 9.5 mile an hour at C4. There she be. Very bumpy, but we make it work. Yep. There's the saddle, Frontier right over there behind the shed. He knows he won't be making it to this cutting. Then when we pull to the end here, pull this lever, which raises the rake. We drive ahead, back her up, and there we go. Then we line up with our next pass, put it in forward. Pull up to it, drop the rake down, and we take off. And that's how you do it. Pretty good. Someone in the comments commented on a video recently, and they said, could you show more action shots and less talking in your videos? So, a little explanation if anyone else is wondering that. I used to show a lot of just equipment shots only, didn't explain enough stuff. So I started explaining more stuff so people wouldn't ask as many questions about stuff that I kind of left as, I would say, so I didn't leave people hanging. Well, problem is I run a lot more machinery now, so I don't get to get very many action shots because I'm in here running the machine. So, or sometimes I'm not available to go near the machine, to go to the machine and film it because I'm busy doing other stuff, so that's kind of the reason why I get to that. But I try to get as many action shots in as I can, please. I really do. But it's just how the circumstances work out. But right now, we're just this is the best I can give you. So yeah, just a little bit left of this field, and I'm done. The baler's already going over there. It's actually a different baler and a new operator. Well, same family, just a different member of the family. Got his own baler. So same quality, same good baling quality. They're good at what they do. And the rake working great. Brother's going over with the wheel rake over there to working on that. I'll try and get you some shots of both the baler and the wheel rake. Got some bales ahead of me there. So it must be dry enough. I haven't heard much yet, but I'm just here running this. Just hanging around. So here's field 5, and there's the wheel rake that we were renting. This is some pretty nice grassy stuff. Oh, that's nice. It's nice and smooth. So I just got off of that machine right there. I got the Kuhn single rotor rotary hay rake. Good machine, reliable machine. So I just got done raking like probably 30 acres, 38, no, 20 some to 30 acres with it. So yeah, she's holding up. There's the round baler. $78.30. Yeah, he's just gobbling up all these windrows. See if we can catch a shot of the bale being dumped out. Maybe hell, he might get out of sight. Who knows? We'll see. Stuff must not be packing as many. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna dump a round bale. There he goes. And that's how it's done. And he just repeats the same thing over and over. There's the rake again. There's 2 round balers going. We got that one down there. And there's one way over there. So 2 balers going. A lot is bound to get done. So yeah. There's the baler. They're currently baling a bale that must have broke, yeah. They're getting ready to dump a bale. Yep, right there. Another nice bale of grassy hay. Day 2. I am in the John Deere 7810 right now, pulling the wheel rake. The rake we're renting. So yeah, the rake that we're renting because the Frontier is, well, not working. So yeah, just got that much left to do. I already did that right over there. Oh, this will be pretty fast. This wheel rake is pretty fast. Basically what we do is, when we get to the end, use the hydraulics. You pick up the center wheel and it picks up the 2 arms. I pull ahead. At least that's what I'm doing up here, because this field's a little tight and it's around somebody else's place. So. And we just Put her back in drive. Then we drop her down. And we take back off. Kind of bumpy in this area, but that's just what it's like in this field. So yeah. We're here picking up bales, you can see in the mirror. Blower tractor. There's the baler. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hay cutting 2024, at least for the summer, is over. So, I'm with the cat right here, my buddy, Guppy. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one when we're at the Farm Progress Show.